watch the lightning. Hang on. Okay, in the bags. One at a time?
Yeah, just put them in top here.
Okay. Taking video right now. 1 second. Okay. Not a problem.
Okay, here's your corn. They're different.
Yeah, they're bigger though.
Yeah.
Bigger cans at least.
Yeah. Okay, that can go there now. And this back there.
Sure. That's fruit. It's fruit.
Is it fruit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, there's only just...
Okay, just leave it there. Just leave it there. I think other stuff is going to get up there.
I'll be on the balcony, okay? Thank you, Nine. Love you. We got thunderstorms going on, folks. Let's go out here and watch this bad boy right here. Ooh. Let's watch the lightning, if we can see any. Little shelf cloud right there. Ooh, there's one. That was clouded ground. Going. It's supposed to be severe, I heard. There's more over here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a shelf cloud right here. There's nothing over our heads yet. Nothing serious, just... We're under a watch right now, as far as I know. And there's another one. That was clouded ground. Just east of the Toronto Pearson Airport. There's another one. That does look like a shelf cloud to me over there. Or something else, I don't know. Who knows? Who knows what it could be? Either funnel cloud or shelf cloud, I don't know. Or scuddy, as I like to call them. Scuds. As you can see, it's raining over there. Yeah, you can see, can't see it very well out in the distance. Ooh, there's another one right over there. Just right over there. There's one. Look at this cloud over here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not too sure if it's rotating. But it looks a little bit ominous. Might be a shelf cloud. I don't know. I think it's still that. Hang on. There we go. Got it still a bit. Looks like it's starting to come down a little bit. Might be a scud. Didn't call for tornadoes or anything. They called for isolated tornadoes, so we don't know. That might be a funnel cloud, folks. I hope not. Does it hit Durham region? Because I'm in Mississauga right now in the Peel region. I think that might be a shelf. Hopefully some good lightning strikes when the storm comes in. It's fun to watch him when it's far away, but it's better when it's closer, because you get all the action on video. Could be a wall cloud or a shelf cloud. I think that could be a shelf cloud, folks. Who's playing their loud music? Needs to turn it down. It's disrupting the neighbors. This is a thunderstorm video, folks. Look at that cloud. I'm focusing on this right now. Because it looks pretty suspicious looking. I don't think that's a shelf cloud. So over here you can see a little shelf over here. But over here, there's something coming down out of that cloud right there. Not sure if it's a scud or a funnel, who knows? They're calling for an isolated tornado within these severe thunderstorms. Might get gusty soon. Yeah, that sky looks pretty suspicious. It's kind of greenish over there, in this area, between those two, that condo and apartment. That better not be a funnel cloud. Might be a scud. That sure does look weird. 20% better, man. Doggone it. Take a still. There we go. Take some more. Take a couple. And we're good. I think that's a funnel cloud, folks. It looks moving a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. See behind that condo right there? Look at that. Right there. Looks like something is developing there. There we go. I can feel wind blowing in my face now a little bit. That could be a funnel cloud, folks. Or a scud, I don't know. It looks like there's something circling, like a circle-like shape right there. Who knows what could it be? It could be a scud. Just hurry up so I can see it. I don't know, folks. Let me just move a little bit here. Hasn't started to rain yet, but the wind's picking up a little bit. I think that could be a funnel cloud. Look at the sky over there too. And here. Might get nothing, but hey, at least I got something cool on video. Look at that big house fly. Darn it. That plane must be going through rough air right now. It's rerouting because of thunderstorms, that's why. Shoot fly, go away. Go upstairs. Get out of here. That does not look like a shelf cloud to me. Looks too small for a shelf cloud. Usually it's like a line. I don't know, folks. I just hope that does not touch down. I don't know. Let me go to the weather page. I don't think I can. I'm taking video. Sure getting pretty darn dark out there. Come on, move it, move it. Haven't seen any more lightning strikes lately. Ooh. That thought in my head is just too bad. Hope that'll fire anything up. Never fails, folks. I don't think that's a funnel cloud. That could be a shelf cloud. Man, that's why I have a better look of it now. My heart's starting to race. A little bit. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm too excited. Someone's got to turn down that music because someone's going to be complaining about them. That is just wrong. You can't do that in apartment buildings or condos. Play music that loud. It's in this building. Look at that cloud over there, folks. I think this might be a developing shelf cloud. I could be right, I could be wrong, I don't know. I'm gonna stop here and check out the weather page or something like that, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Okay, back in action. There's supposed to be tornadoes in the storm around and just about anywhere. I just heard big rumble of thunder, which I just missed. But now we got 16% remaining of the battery remaining. Sorry, tongue twister. And here comes the rain, I think. I don't know. Turn that music down. Those look like hawks or falcons. I remember back last summer, the building got hit by lightning. This building I'm in right now. And I said took the Lord's name in vain by accident because it made me jump out of my skin because it was so loud and that bright flashes at the same time. That was crazy and scary, but exciting to see too. Come on, lightning. I don't see you now. I can hear you, but I don't see you. I think it's coming from up there. Supposed to get more tomorrow too. Anyways, I'm going bowling tomorrow. I hope. If there's thunderstorms, I don't care. I'll still go bowling. Can't take videos while I'm up thunderstorms while I'm bowling because bowling is more important. Oh, a blister on my left thumb. Weird. I don't know where that came from. That was above us. Look at that plane right there. Is that ice? What airline is that? I think that's Iceland Air. Going to... Well, I know how you say it though, but that's a Boeing 757-200 or 300. From Iceland. Iceland Air. You can see it up there. That's a Boeing 757-200 or 300. I'm not too sure. I can't tell from here. It's on its way to Iceland. Let's start to pick up a little bit. There's lightning over there. Darn it. Doggone it, it's 10% remaining on battery. You know what, I'm gonna stop here. Wait a minute. Let me get my charger. I'm gonna go to your room and film from there, okay, Dad?
What's that?
I'm going to change the film so because my battery's low.
Narvaez 0 for 2.
Watching baseball. That's alright. I like baseball too. It's fun to watch. Especially when it's live. Okay, look at this. Better view. My dad's bedroom. Let's take photos from here. Bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, bum, bum. You can hear the thunder pretty well too. Let's see if this can reach and not make it fall. There we go. Hope this doesn't fall. Please don't fall unless I have to hold it. Let's see. Let me just stop here for a sec. See how much battery I have. I don't know if it's charging or not. No, it can't hold. Doggone it, I'll have to hold it. Watch. That's fine. Hear the thunder? Stupid loud car. I hate it when it does that. It's annoying. Especially when they're so loud you can't hear anything. Yeah, but that thunderstorm is about to rumble now. Sweet. Oh, for a close lightning strike. Just holding the camera right here. On the windowsill. I'm just holding it with my hand because it'll fall off if I let go of it. Listen to that thunder rumble. It's right over us now. Hopefully we get a cloud of ground soon. Shh. Lots of thunder in that cloud above us. There's the Arista I'm pointing at right now. That building over there. I got a feeling a cloud ground strike is going to come very shortly. Because all I hear is nothing but rumbles. Over here in Mississauga, Ontario. Whoa. Oh, I thought that was a funnel cloud on my camera. But it isn't, it was just part of the window. That would have been cool though. Come on, cloud of ground. Listen to that rumble of thunder, yo. Wow. That's all you can hear right now. That's all you can hear right now is thunder. That's all you can hear. At the moment. I hope for a cloud of ground strike now, please. Just listen to that. It's too dirty right there, doggone it. Pardon me. About that last animated alpha video that I did, that was just to express my feelings about the fanfic that I read. And believe it or not, whenever I see these things, something weird happens, like a really bad thunderstorm or something else that can be very serious. Also known as to cause spells too, unfortunately. But you know what? I just deal with the spells. However, when I see those things, it can be very difficult. That's how I review stuff and made out of their videos. Come on, cloud of ground, where are ya? All you can hear right now is thunder. Nothing but thunder, baby. Sweet. Yeah, baby. Phone's charging at the moment, so it might be a frequent lightning thunderstorm or with excessive lightning developing over this area here in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. When there's frequent lightning, that means there might be something in it. When the sky is green and brownish color, just listen to those thunder rumbles. That is unbelievable. Still going. Ozone. I can smell it. Ooh. I just saw a lightning strike. Listen to that rumble. Cloud of ground. Come on, cloud ground, I don't see you nearby. There's one. There's another one. Let me look at the sky, baby. Whoa! That was cloud to cloud. Right above our head. I don't know if you saw the flash there, but that was cloud to cloud. They're starting to fire up now. Just keep an eye on the skies. Hopefully no tornado hits Durham region or Mississauga where I am. Or anywhere. That would really suck for someone. Just look at that sky over there. Show me a loud one, please. Wow. Beautiful. Now it's starting to rain. Over here, hopefully I'll get a good cloud of ground strike. That's what I'm hoping for. This might be a fresh cell, folks. Where's all the lightning? What happened to it? It's coming down pretty hard, though. The rain. I think this might be a fresh cell, folks. Come on, baby. Where's that lightning strike I've been waiting for all year? You're telling me to be patient? I will be patient. Just don't mouth back off at me. Here comes the rain. Looks like we're getting it too. Sweet. Just heavy rain, that's all. Yeah, just heavy rain. Just a light thunderstorm with heavy rain. Here it comes again. Woo! Is that lightning? I think it was. It's really coming down there to pour. Wow. A little bit of breeze doesn't hurt. The streets are pretty wet right now, as you can hear. Wow. Well, we'll get some more videos tomorrow, hopefully. I hope so. Let me look to the left. There's nothing dark over there, so it's not legit to take videos over there. But that one part right there was a bunch, all nothing but thunder. I wonder if that died off already. I think it's over for this area. It's still raining a little bit though. Good old downpour. Now let me see. I'm gonna stop here. See how much space I have because I have to upload these to my laptop later on. But hope you enjoyed this video. That was pretty intense. What I saw in the beginning, in the first part of the video, first video of the storm, and second part, nothing but thunder. The wind's starting to pick up. Maybe I should still start rolling again, just to be sure if there's anything suspicious. Let me take a look. However, I hope Durham region might get hit pretty hard. Low cloud. Okay. I think we're done now. Anyways, thanks for watching.